Good morning, all of you. Myself, P. Nagapanandra, MBA Department, DNR College, Autonomous, PG Courses, Bhimavaram. Today, we are going to discuss importance of entrepreneurship and what are the characteristics or features of entrepreneurship. Today, we are going to discuss importance of entrepreneurship and what are the characteristics or features of entrepreneurship. First one, introduction to entrepreneurship. First one, introduction to entrepreneurship. The term entrepreneur is derived from the French word entrepreneur. The term entrepreneur is derived from the French word entrepreneur, which means to undertake business or organization. Which means to undertake business or organization. The person who undertakes the risk of new enterprise. The person who undertakes the risk of new enterprises. In the early 16th century, the Frenchmen who organized and led military expeditions were referred to as entrepreneurs. In the early 16th century, the Frenchmen who organized and led military expeditions were referred to entrepreneurs. According to ILO, ILO means International Labour Organization. International Labour Organization. According to ILO, entrepreneurs are those people who have ability to see and evaluate business opportunities. Entrepreneurs are those people who have ability to see and evaluate business opportunities together with the necessary resources to take advantage of them and to initiate appropriate action to ensure success. Next one, according to Adam Smith. Entrepreneur has a person or those people who only provides capital without taking active part in the leading role in enterprise. Entrepreneurs are a person or those people who only provides capital without taking active part in the leading role in enterprise. Next one, importance of entrepreneurs. Next one, importance of entrepreneurs. First one is develop new markets, and second one, discover new sources of materials. Third one, mobilize capital resources. And fourth one, introduce new technologies. And fifth one, create employment. First one is develop new markets. Under the modern concept of marketing, markets are people who are willing and able to satisfy their needs. Under the modern concept of marketing, markets are people who are willing and able to satisfy their needs. In economics, this is called effective demand. Entrepreneurs are resourceful and creative. They can create customers or buyers. This is makes entrepreneurs different from ordinary businessmen. This is makes entrepreneurs different from ordinary businessmen who only perform traditional functions of management. Like planning, organization and coordination. Next one, discover new sources of material. Entrepreneurs are never satisfied with traditional or existing sources of materials. Entrepreneurs are never satisfied with traditional or existing sources of material. Due to their innovative nature, they present and discovering new sources. Due to their innovative nature, they present on discovering new sources of materials to improve their enterprises. Materials to improve their enterprises. In business, those who can develop new sources of materials enjoy a competitive advantages in terms of supply, cost, and quality. Who can develop new sources of materials enjoy a competitive advantage in terms of supply, cost, and quality. Next one, mobilize capital resources. Next one, mobilize capital resources. Entrepreneurs are the organizers and coordinators of the major factor of production. Entrepreneurs are the organizers and coordinators of major factor of production such as land, labor, and capital. Such as land, labor, capital. They properly mix these factors of production. They properly mix these factors of production to create goods and services. They properly mix these factors of production to create goods and services. Capital resources from money. Capital resources from money. However, in economics, capital resources, machines, buildings, and other physical productive resources. However, in economics, capital resources, machines, buildings, and other physical productive resources. Entrepreneurs have initiative and self confidence. Entrepreneurs are self confidence in mobilizing capital resources for new business or business expansion. Next one, introduce new technology. Entrepreneur being innovators and reasonable risk takers. Entrepreneurs are being innovators and reasonable risk takers. Entrepreneurs take advantage of business opportunities and transform these into profits. Entrepreneurs take advantage of business opportunities and transform these into profits. Such entrepreneurial spirit has greatly contributed to mobilization of economics. Every year there are new technologies and new products. Every year there are new technologies and new products. All of these are satisfy human needs in a more convenient and pleasant way. Next one, create employment. The biggest employer is the private business sector. The biggest employer is private business sector. Millions of jobs are provided by these factors and services, industries, agriculture, enterprises, and numerical small scale businesses. This is importance of entrepreneurship. Next one, next topic, characteristics or features of entrepreneurs. Next topic, characteristics or features of entrepreneurs. First one, need to achieve. First one, need to achieve. Entrepreneurs have got strong desire to achieve higher goals. Entrepreneurs have got strong desire to achieve higher goals. Their inner, their inner self motivates their behavior to higher achievement. Their inner self motivates their behavior towards higher achievement. Next one is independence. Most of the entrepreneurs start on their own business. Most of the entrepreneurs start on their own business because they dislike to work for others. Because they dislike to work for others. They prefer to their own boss and when to be reasonable for their own decision. They prefer to be their own business sorry they prefer to their own boss and when to be reasonable for their own decisions. Next one, risk bearing. Next one, risk bearing. Entrepreneurs are the person who take decisions under uncertainty and thus they are willing to take risk but they never gamble with the results. Entrepreneurs are the persons who take decisions under uncertainty and thus they are willing to take risk but they never gamble with the result. Next one, cost of control. Next one, cost of control. Entrepreneurs believe in their own ability to control the consequences of influencing their socio-economic environment rather than leave everything to luck. Rather than leave everything to luck. They strongly believe that they can grow and shape their own destiny. They strongly believe that they can grow in and shape their own destiny. Next one, positive self concept. Next one, positive self concept. Entrepreneurs are always positive in their action. Entrepreneurs are always positive in their action. Being an achiever, they direct their fan and dreams towards achievement. Being an achiever, they can direct dreams towards achievement of goals and sets extraordinary stands of excellence in what they are doing. What they are doing. This is based upon their awareness of SWOT analysis. This is based upon their awareness of SWOT analysis. Next one, hope to success. Next one, hope to success. Hope of success is a significant quality of entrepreneurial personality. Entrepreneurs set their goals with a hope of success rather than fear of failure. Rather than fear of failure. This is because they set their goals on the basis of facts and their ability to make a plan. Because they set their goals on the basis of facts and their ability to make a plan. Next one, flexibility. Next one, flexibility. Most of the successful entrepreneurs measure the pros and cons of decision and tend to change if the situation and demands. Next one, analytical ability of mind. Analytical ability of mind. Entrepreneurs are unaffected by personal likes and dislikes. Entrepreneurs are unaffected by personal likes and dislikes. At the time of their need, they select experts rather than friends and relatives to assess them. They usually avoid emotional and sensitive attitude towards their business or problem. They usually avoid emotional and sensitive attitude towards their business or problem. Next one, interpersonal skills. Entrepreneurs are always comfortable dealing with people at all levels. Entrepreneurs are always comfortable dealing with people at all levels. During the course of their action, they come across a cross selection of individuals with whom they have to deal with whom they have to deal. They interact with raw material sorry they for different activities. As successful entrepreneurs, they should be personal who like working with others, positioning the much ended quality of interpersonal skills to deal with people. Stress Next one, stress takers. Next one, stress takers. Entrepreneurs are capable of working for long hours. Entrepreneurs are capable of working for long hours and solving different complexities and the same time. Different complexities at the same time. As a captain of industry or enterprise, an entrepreneur faces a number of problems and in right moment they takes right decision which may involve physical as well as mental stress. Next one, innovators. Successful entrepreneurs are innovators. Next one, successful entrepreneurs are innovators. They put their efforts in introducing new products. They put their efforts in introducing new products. Their method of production, opening new markets, new source of supply, and recognizing the enterprise. Recognizing enterprise. Next one, business communication skills. Next one, business communication skills. In order to motivate their in the business, entrepreneurs must possess good communication skills. Must good communication skills. Both right and role communication skills are necessary for the entrepreneurs for running enterprise efficiently. Entrepreneurs for running enterprise efficiently. Next one, leadership. Entrepreneurs should process their quality of leadership. Entrepreneurs should process the quality of leadership. Leadership is the ability to interpersonal influence by means of communication towards to achievement of goals towards and to achievement of goals. Entrepreneurs as the leaders should provide the necessary spark of motivation by guiding, inspiring, assisting and directing the members of group of for achievement of unity of action efforts and purpose. Ability. Next one, ability to mobilize resources. Ability to mobilize resources. Entrepreneurs must have the ability to mobilize all the inputs to obtain the end product. Entrepreneurs must have the ability to mobilize all the inputs to obtain the end product. They have to mobilize man, money, material, machinery, market, and method effectively to realize the financial product. As entrepreneurship is a function of gap filling and input completing. Next one, self confidence. Entrepreneurs must have self confidence take take effectively and efficiently. They must take decisions on their own uncertain and risky situation and should not take confidently should not take confidently even if step back to occurred. Thank you.